Hi there, curious classmates, welcome to the science series. Today's subject is all about volcanoes. Volcanoes and how they work. Have you ever seen pictures of a volcano exploding with lava? Did you know there are over 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth right now? Volcanoes are like nature's pressure valves, releasing heat and gases from deep inside the Earth. Let's explore how these fiery mountains work. To understand volcanoes, we need to take a peek inside the Earth. Beneath the crust we walk on, there's a layer of super hot rock called magma. This magma is so hot, it flows like thick soup. The heat comes from the Earth's core, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. Sometimes, cracks in the Earth's crust let magma push its way to the surface. Over time, this magma cools and hardens, creating layers of rock. These layers build up to form a mountain. This is how volcanoes are born. It's like stacking pancakes, but with rock instead of batter. When magma gets trapped under the Earth's surface, pressure builds up. Imagine shaking a soda bottle and then opening the lid. Whoosh! That's similar to what happens during a volcanic eruption. Magma shoots out of the volcano, turning into lava, along with ash and gases bursting into the sky. Whoosh! Once the lava flows out, it cools and hardens, creating new land. Did you know the Hawaiian Islands were formed this way? Lava can flow slowly like honey or explode violently. It depends on the volcano. And don't forget the ash. Volcanic ash can travel thousands of miles through the air. Not all volcanoes look the same. Some are tall and cone-shaped, like Mount Fuji in Japan. Others, like Mauna Loa in Hawaii, are wide and gently sloping. Did you know some volcanoes are even hidden beneath the ocean? These underwater volcanoes are called submarine volcanoes. Volcanoes aren't just destructive, they're helpful too. Volcanic soil is super rich and great for growing plants. Volcanoes also create new land and bring valuable minerals to the surface. Plus, studying volcanoes helps scientists understand the Earth better and predict eruptions to keep people safe. Next time you see a mountain, ask yourself, is it a volcano? Some mountains are actually ancient volcanoes. And here's a fun experiment to try. Mix baking soda and vinegar in a bottle. You'll see how pressure causes an eruption, just like a real volcano. Cool, right? Well, curious classmates, that's the end of today's lesson on volcanoes. If you enjoyed it, be sure to come back. There will be plenty more science and nature videos available soon.